Good morning, everybody. Jerry here again. We're having another session, a trading session, and we'll see what's going to happen today. I hope we're going to make some money, as usually. The very beginning, as we're obligated to do it, we have to show you the risk disclaimer. And obviously, you know that if you are trading, if you are watching us, you are taking a risk on your own. You're trading your own money, and that's what we do. We are trading our own money and having fun, but you need to read this risk disclaimer. Okay, we're back, and as you see, what we see on our forex plan analytics, the software that we are using, the indicator that we are watching and analyzing the market, we see that GBP, the Great British Pound, seems to be getting strength uh, for a long time, like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 4 hours. So probably that's the one, that's the currency I'm going to be trading today. And I'm thinking about um, Japanese yen, and uh, Great British Pound. Okay, maybe that's the currency I'm going to be trading. It's good to analyze and do some prepare work, like to make sure that we know which pairs we are pairing, which currencies we're pairing, and that's the key to my success. Obviously, I'm based on the guideline that I have. You might have your own analyses done on some other uh, some other tools, but that's what I'm using. I'm using the Forex Pro Analytics, and it seems to be working for me. Now, Let's see quickly the news. It's 9 o'clock. I usually start trading. I don't trade where there's the news coming up because the news, like this is the technical analysis that we are doing here, but the news can change the market pretty quickly, and it's unpredictable. Strong news might turn around the market totally, and we have to be careful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be seeing what's the calendar, economic calendar for today is. Today is Thursday, so we're gonna be having, and it's 9 o'clock, so it seems to be like a 10 o'clock manufacturing, because we've got some news before. That was the GBP, the manufacturing purchasing managers index. Okay, funny because some of the news I'm aware of. I'm analyzing this market based on basic information. You hear the news on the radio, you know what's going on. There are some very strong ones like the Brexit, that we had, a few months ago, or the US presidential election. But some of the news are changing the market a little bit, not so much. So this is done. That might cause a British pound to go stronger. Another news is, as a matter of fact, it says the higher than expected reading should be taken as positive, bullish for GBP, while lower should be taken as negative. So didn't do much impact on the British pound. And at 10 o'clock, which we still have time, now it's going to be manufacturing employment. Uh, Manufacturing, purchasing, the report of the business on a business. Let me see what it says. Even supply management is based on a data. Anyway, the bottom line for me is very simple. The higher the expected reading should be taken as positive, the lower is negative. So all these employment, unemployment, the manufacturing sector, the consumer's confidence is important to a certain extent, the way I see it. Okay, so that's not now. Let's concentrate on our technical analysis. So we have the GBP and the Japan yen as the pair that I'm thinking of trading today. Also, CAD, Canadian dollar, seems to be getting strength. So Canadian dollar and yen might be the pair that we would jump into. Okay, let's see what's going on the okay, let's see what's going on. GBP yen. This is CAD yen and yen, and what we have here. Let's find the GBP and yen. All right, so that seems to be like, we might, it's kind of pretty strong. So I have to make a decision if I want to go with the trend or against the trend, because, you can always win the money. This is not the chart I wanted to see. Okay, yeah, it seems to be like a very strong, a very, very, very strong trend. Okay, if that's the case, Oops, that's not the one I wanted to see. Okay, so CAD and yen and GBP and yen seems to be going strong. Yeah, I'm preparing myself quite precisely. It's better to wait than get into a risky situation. Okay, we still have a little room to second resistance line. So maybe there is enough room for us to make money. Let's see another one. Where are we? And same thing on CAD and yen. On the other hand, we might wait for a little retracement because it seems to be like we're far away from our golden line, which I like. And usually it brings candles to the level sooner or later. But right now, okay, now we might have a little bit of a chance to get few points trading against the trend. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a fast trader. I trade a short period. I trade a minutes. Okay, so for me, to earn a few pips is enough. If I earn 10 pips, 12, 8 pips, that's my day because it's usually about $100, and that's what I'm looking for. So in this situation, since we have a little bit of a weakening Great British pound, and we have a trend, not a very strong one anymore, on Japanese yen, I would probably concentrate on this pair. Bingo. We have the arrow. We have the red arrow, which would kind of give us a trigger to go against the trend right now. And I'm gonna try to do this. Let's see where we are. And I'm gonna go short. Now let me see what I can do. Let me see what we gonna expect. But it might be this little retracement that we can catch. I'm gonna put, as usually, about 12 pips, maybe about 10 pips to get. And I hope I'm gonna be quick. I don't like to trade too long. Okay, right now we have to wait. We got our position. We got our pair that we've chosen. Let's wait and let's see what we can do. Let's read what the market actually will do for us. I hope we're going to be successful as usually. All right. Okay, I'll be patient. Watch me, watch the chart, and sooner or later we're gonna see which way are we going. We're going. As you see, the GBP and yen is bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. It has to get some direction. So obviously, like I decided to go short. I keep my faith, and I'm pretty sure that was the right decision. That was the right decision, and let's see. I mean, like patience is very important in this business. If you're impatient, you're making quick decisions, but sometimes it's more like emotions. Okay, in this particular case, I try to stay away from emotions. I try to be based on analysis, and to me, again, like the the only tool I have is the forex pro analytics. Is the indicator which is giving me some kind of a guideline, some kind of an idea, some kind of a map. Sorry, which direction I should go, and that was my decisions. Getting close, getting close. I hope I'm gonna make it. Let's see. Sometimes it's getting very close, and you wouldn't close on you. But you have to be patient. That's all fun. I mean, like if you guys, you're gonna have some kind of it's like a game, which obviously gives you the benefits. Gives you the money, but it's the winning is your prize. It's your trophy, and you can't push it. You can't push the market. Okay, let's be patient and see what we can get in a few minutes. My trades are usually pretty short. Okay, I try not to trade too long. I've got some other activities in my day and some other stuff going on. So I hope we'll see some results pretty soon. As you see on the chart, I have chosen the to go short based on these analyses. Okay, and then as far as the analysis go, I was far enough from our magic golden line, and I was 90% sure. You cannot be 100% sure. 75, 80% sure. It's always a probability. Like, you cannot take it as a proven fact that, the chart is going to show you the right direction. But, you have to choose one of the directions. I mentioned before, if you don't want to lose it, you don't play. If you want to win it, you have to play. And you have to play one way or the other. Like we see those arrows, and it seems to be like the trend is not as strong, but I think we're gonna be catching, a few points right now. Let me see where we are. So I'm gonna go back to our platform, and it's about to close. It's about to close. We need to be patient, and patience, it's very important. Again, like, I'm just I would say having fun trading on this forex market and making some money. Then try to be pretty quick. Look at this, what's happening right now. Look at this, what's happening. Like, we need another few pips, and that's the little adrenaline. That's the little fun. It's like a game. Bingo. I got it. I got it pretty nicely. Everything seems to be the way I want it, and I've made some money today, and the history, today's history is, let me see how much I made. $92. Okay, that's what I was expecting. And again, it's a little bit of fun, a little bit of money. If you make $100, within an hour, and you go and play golf or play tennis. And I'm not sure if you guys have some other source of income, if you are those who are making money only on forex. You're pretty much you're trading again. You're trading in other pairs. Like, for me, it's like extra pocket money every day. Sometimes I make a little bit more. Sometimes I make a little bit less. And there are some days that I'm losing a little bit. But overall, it seems to be that we're on the positive side. Okay. If I show you the chart again, see how slowly but surely, based on this indicator, we have chosen the red arrow over here, and there was up and down, there was some blue ones, some red again, but slowly it got to the point that our golden line is meeting the chart, the candle. So my prediction was right, and it's not that was my invention. It's not that was my idea that I went this direction. It was based again on some tools, on this particular tool, on the Forex Pro Analytics, which I've been trading on based on this for the last pretty much year. I was when I was introduced to Forex Pro Analytics, I was going blind. Now, at least I have an idea and a guideline of what to do. As you see right now, we've made some money over here. We could have made a little bit more, maybe like $50 more. but it seems to be like, it's too late to make any action. It's pretty much a done deal for me. So that's what I'm saying. The prep work, the right decision, or the decision. It could be right, could be wrong, but you have to make a decision. And you have to follow your decision, and be patient. Okay, that's what I'm doing, and that's what my friends are doing, and that's how we are successful. So again, like, good luck with your trades. I'm gonna be wrapping up. I still have to do a few other things in my beautiful day today, and I hope you enjoyed that. You can still see what's happening on the marketplace, and those who are still making money, good luck. Those who are doing some other stuff, there's a lot of traders that have that they're trading part-time. They have some jobs, they all have their own source of income. Like myself, I've got some other things going on. This is pretty much by the way. And these ones, again, treated probably the same way as I do. It's like a game. Okay, so listen to the music, and good luck again, and I'll see you soon.